Well, we just got back from Sturgis in time. The rain started about 3/4 of an hour after we got back. It's pretty torrential, as you can see. Just started coming in here. There's lightning and all sorts of stuff going on. The water's already pouring off the roof. Lightning going on. And pretty crazy. I love these Montana storms. Nico's like, what's going on over here? Crazy weather. What do you think, Nico? Yeah, this is not California, huh? It's pretty crazy. The little ones are gonna have a race around in it. Get in there, eat your hay. Oh, Mickey, you crazy little horse. What are you doing? Oh, he stopped dead for the water there. The other two, they're not bothered about it at all. They're just eating their hay. Yeah, just time to eat daytime. Glad you're not out there and like those other horses across the street. Oh man, you're so spoiled. Crazy. Coming down rhinos and elephants. Stream coming in over there. Oh, lightning flashes. Gonna have a thunder boomer in a second here. Bang. And these two are still not bothered. Got a little lake going on out here. God, I'm glad we didn't get caught in this. This would have sucked. Wow, look at that rain already. Big old lake. You guys had a little run in the rain, didn't you? Yeah. Pretty damn cool storms we have out here. Of course now I'm stuck in the barn because I'm not going to walk back in the house like this with this stuff. I'm sure it'll be over and done with. Well, It doesn't even look very good over there. It looks as if it's going to get even worse. So wow. It looks like it's easing off a little bit here, so I'm going to go and see if I can get back in the house in between the next slot.